Assalamualaikum friends, today we will learn what are birds, characteristics of birds and types of birds. So let's start. First we see what are birds. Birds are warm-blooded animals with feathers and wings. They lay eggs and have a beak. They are without teeth and most can fly. Characteristics of birds. Feathers. Birds have feathers on their bodies. Wings. Most birds can fly. Beak. Birds have a beak instead of teeth. Two legs. Two legs they are used for walking, running and perching. They are warm-blooded. They maintain constant body temperature. Now we will see types of birds. Here are three types of birds: flying birds, flightless birds and water birds. First we will see what are flying birds. Flying birds can fly. Flightless birds cannot fly, have strong legs. And the last one is water birds. Water birds live on or near water. They can swim. Friends, I hope you learned the definition of birds, characteristics of birds and three types of birds. Bye.